Coming up, we check the oil from the eDrive transmission box, and we also send it off to Blackstone Labs in the USA for analysis. And a big welcome to my channel. I've been lucky enough to have had 3 gorgeous BMWs over the last 5 years, actually since 2015. All have been trouble-free miles, and by saying that I actually do mean trouble-free, with over 30,000 miles done each year for a vehicle that has no issues in the time of modern car components. That's pretty impressive. But along the way I've had a niggling issue with BMW and car manufacturers in general. In 2014 BMW introduced the all-new BMW i concept, the BMW i3. In the original design it featured a drain plug and filler plug on the outside of the eDrive transmission housing, making it easy for technicians and BMW future owners to check, service and inspect the oil in the eDrive casing. But why in 2015 did BMW remove the exterior filler plug? If you're watching this BMW, why did you do this and make it difficult for future owners and BMW technical staff to check or refill the gearbox housing? By removing this well thought out exterior plug, there's no way to check either the level or the quality of the fluid within the gearbox housing without first completely removing the wheel, the brakes, the brake shaft and the inner spline to access the now required inner drive shaft to gain access to the plug. I booked my car into my local BMW dealership and was extremely impressed with their professionalism. Here you can see the offside drive shaft, wheel, brakes have all been removed to access the inner filler plug within the transmission casing. The gear oil has done 30,000 miles and looks reasonably okay, except for some concern over the amount of race wear bearing and gear wear that has accumulated on the drain magnet. The oil will be sent off to Blackstone Labs in the USA for analysis, and I will be posting a report in this later in the programme. As with many electric cars, there is no service schedule for this, and BMW don't see the need to change the fluid in the eDrive transmission. But as you can see, there is a lot of gear wear happening within the housing. What was BMW thinking when someone decided to remove a filler plug on the outside of the casing, which was first designed into the exterior case of the 2014 BMW i3? Well, with over 30,000 miles driven each year and the 3 electric cars I've driven, I can report that there's been nothing, and I mean nothing, that has gone wrong. A testament to the over-engineering of BMW in general and the less moving parts associated with EV cars. In fact, electric cars have one moving part, the eDrive transmission. Yes, I know what you're thinking. You'd like to see a list of the parts needed for the oil change. Well, here you go. And happy trouble-free motoring.